Hey everyone, today we have this cordless 100-watt glue gun set here by ThinkLearn. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. It comes in this case, which I love. Keep everything together. I'll open this up and see what's inside. So of course you have the instruction manual, different colors of glue sticks, some gold shiny ones, pink ones, clear ones, and then you have of course the glue gun itself with the battery and the charger, the cord, and the hot mat to put it on to keep your surfaces protected while you're using it. So you can store all this in the bag when you're not using it, which I love. So let's charge this up and give it a try. There's a switch here, you just push it forward to on, and the red light lights up, letting you know that it's on, and it is hot, getting hot. So you put the glue stick through the back right there, there's a hole, and there's also inside here you can guide it through right there, see how much glue you have left as you're using it. So this will get very hot, be careful. First I'm just gonna show you what it looks like on the box, and then I have some flowers here, they're all coming out and unglued. So I'm gonna glue the ends and stick them back in so that they'll stay in their spots. And when you're ready, you pull this trigger and the glue will come out. And there is the hot glue coming out. So that's what it looks like. It heats up really fast. That didn't take very long at all. And it comes out with hot glue. And then you have this pad, keep it under there so if it drips or anything, it goes on here, not on your stuff. Then like I said, I want to glue these in here because they keep coming out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the end. You don't need very much. It works, it's really strong. I'll stick it in there. Wait for it to dry and that'll be stuck in there and not coming out anytime soon. So really fun. I love that it's pink and I'll always know that it's mine. It's really unique looking. I love that it's cordless because the cord will get in the way of the glue and it's just a mess. So really love that cordless feature and great product.